Well, as we all know, Ryan Garcia stepped away from his up and coming battle with Javier Fortuna that was supposed to take place on July 9th. Well, we got a replacement in the building for him, and that would be no other than Jojo Diaz. And that's an interesting fight in itself. I can live with that. I don't know about you, but to have two former champions in the ring with each other, hey man, that's just as good as any fight you can get on tap. Now, the question I have is, who are we going to see when Jojo Diaz get in the ring? Because as you guys might remember, Jojo Diaz didn't look all that great on this last outing. Matter of fact, not only did he get his title vacated for not coming in underweight, but he also wound up walking out with a draw, which a lot of people felt like, including myself, might have actually been a gift. He fought Rakhimov to a 12-round, was it a majority? Nope. Yeah, majority draw. 115 to 113, 114 to 114, 114 to 114. In a fight that most people thought, including myself again, that Jojo Diaz was losing the entire fight. Now, did he come back towards the end? Yes, he did. Did he win the last 2 rounds? I thought so, but I thought Rakhimov had put enough in the bank that he would have pulled it out. But he definitely showed signs of fatigue at the end, and his work rate definitely slowed down towards the end of the fight. So, so Jojo Diaz is no longer the champ at 130, and I guess he said he's not even gonna bother to try to make 130 anymore. He's just gonna come on up to 135, which is interesting because he kind of put the whole not being able to make weight on the whole COVID thing and not being able to have a proper camp because of the COVID issues and being on lockdown and not being able to do road work like he really wanted to. And he's not the only one who said that. Other people have said that as well. Now, interesting enough, he's getting in there with like I said, another former champion in Jarvier Fortuna, who, in my opinion, is getting on the roll. He's coming off of a three fight winning streak, and before that he went to a no contest or a no decision against Adrian Granados in a fight that I thought he shouldn't have been in the first place. He actually moved up to junior welterweight, and I mean that's a lot considering he came from down at featherweight, and just didn't seem to be the right weight class for him. Adrian Granados was able to muscle him around, and he definitely was trying to use his size, and he tried a little too much because he wound up pushing Jarvier Fortuna outside of the ring, and he hit his head on the apron or the ring bell, whichever one it was, I can't remember, but and injuring him, and that's how you came to the no decision. Now, the fight before that was a fight that I thought Jarvier Fortuna probably looked his best in, and that's when he fought against Robert Easter Jr. Back in 2018. Now, we're going back a little ways, but back in 2018 in a fight that I actually personally thought he won what would have been for the IBF World Lightweight title, but they gave the split decision to Robert Easter Jr., which was a poor decision in my opinion. Robert Easter Jr. actually got away with 2 back-to-back because in my opinion he also probably lost to Richard Comey as well, but they gave him that. Shout out to Robert Easter Jr. though, I think he has a fight coming up as well. But like I said, I think Jarvier Fortuna got it rolling again. He just came off of a nice win on PBC where he got a 6-round KO against Torres. So against Antonio Torres, that is. So he's getting momentum going again, and he's coming in the ring against a guy who just came off of a draw and probably one of his worst looking outings in Jojo Diaz. So it's going to be interesting. I look forward to the fight. Would I rather see Javier Fortuna versus Ryan Garcia? Yes, I would. But this is a decent consolation prize. 2 former champions getting in the ring with each other. You can't really beat that unless you're talking about two champions. And that's pretty much all I got this head busting boxes on Fight Doctor. Hit that like button, hit that share button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Hit me up in the comment section and let me know, are you happy with the Jojo Diaz versus Javier Fortuna fight? I mean, after all, you're getting another good competitive former champion in Jojo Diaz moving up to 135 in an already loaded division. So hey man, that's the more the merrier. That's how I look at it. And that's pretty much all I got this head busting boxes on Fight Doctor. I am out.